Welcome to another tips and tricks series. This video is titled Adding Favorites, and we will be discussing how to add items to your catalog favorites. I am your host, Andy Bonehoff. This will be a very quick video and will show you how to add items like databases, servers, and folders to your catalog favorites. By doing this, we can keep track of our favorite data sources and also add these data sources to any new projects in the future. Let's get started. Okay, back here to our Pro project. As we have discussed, over to the right is our project catalog. Earlier, we looked at the project and portal options in the catalog. This time, let's look at the favorites option. Adding items to our favorites like servers and databases are not only good options for our current project, they are also very helpful for all projects moving forward. You can see here, I have already added a server from the Illinois State Geological Survey. There are a dozen or so featured data sets in this map server. If I expand the Public Land Survey System group, you can see additional layers. Same with the Illinois Mines group. Now let's look at adding a new favorite item. Up here at the top, it says Add Item. Let's click on that. You can then see options for adding a database, server, folder, toolbox, or style. Let's click on Add a New Database. This is going to bring up our File Explorer window. I am going to navigate to my Platte River data folder and click once on the Training Geodatabase. And then click OK. This is going to add the Training Geodatabase to our list of favorites. Next, I am going to right-click on the training database and click Add to Project. Now, when I click on Project and expand databases, I can see the training database listed here. Let's take this one step farther. When I go back to my favorites and then right-click on my training database, there is also an option for Add to New Projects. If I clicked on this option, this database would be added to every new project that I open up going forward. This is a great option if you have servers, databases, or folders that you use for each and every project. Back up here to Add Item and then Server, you can see about 7 different server options that I can add. I like to add my favorite servers when I am using them across multiple projects or if I know I need to add this server to any new projects. Adding items like databases and servers to your list of favorites can save you a lot of time for current and future projects.